Maayong gabi! Kanatong tanan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. We are all gathered here tonight to celebrate and to commemorate our All Souls Day. Welcome to Visayan Mythical Creatures Cosplay Contest. Dress up like Visayan Mythical Creatures. Live here in Hardin Dagami Roof Deck Bar, only here at Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. This is your Bisaya friendly host, Neil Roy, and I'm going to be your host for tonight. And I am very excited and honored to introduce to you each of our Visayan mythical creatures. In Bisaya, mga Bisaya nga mga ungo-ungo nato diri sa Cebu, no? Because it's very popular that we celebrate Halloween, but it's not yet that popular that we also celebrate and we also get to know more on our mga Bisaya nga mga ungo-ungo, no? Especially sa tuang kultura diri sa Cebu. In celebration of the Kalag-Kalag or All Souls Day, we trace the ancient myth and folklore in the Visayas through showcasing the mythical creatures in our islands. Visayan folklore characters include the Sigbin, Agta, Wakwak, Udto-Udto, Ongo, Diwata, Yawa, Maria Kakao, and the local deities or gods and goddesses. Are you guys familiar with that? And of course, I would also like to greet all our viewers who are present here in our live, Facebook Live tonight. I would like to greet everyone a good evening, and please do comment in our comment sections below. Happy All Souls Day, diba? All Souls Day, pero happy ta because we will get to know each of our Visayan mythical creatures tonight. And with that, allow me to read the mechanics of our Visayan mythical creatures cosplay contest. Doll yourself up in your Visayan mythical creature costume. So, of course, costume ay gid siya, no? Pahadlukay gid siya. Alright? Take the runway, Hardin Dagami, which is, I believe, everything has been set up here on stage. No? Andam na girang tanan. And explain your character in one sentence. All right? Our candidates will be given time of 1 minute, one sentence. All right, in one sentence to explain their characters. And with that, allow me to introduce our board of judges who is going to take the daunting task to select who is going to be our Dili Ingon Nato 2025. A big round of applause, please. Of course, our first board of judge, he is an artist and a host, and also a cosplayer, and a historical enthusiast. Let us give a big round of applause to our first board of judge. We have Mr. Josh Andrino. Thank you very much, Mr. Josh Andrino. Our second board of judge is a senior high school faculty member and a cultural coordinator at St. Cecilia's College Cebu Incorporated, Minglanilla, Cebu, and that is Mix William Oduhan de Garcia. Okay, once again, let us reintroduce our board of judges for the pleasure of our viewers online in our Facebook page, live at Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. Once again, to reintroduce our first board of judge, he is an artist, a host, and a cosplayer, and a historical enthusiast, Mr. Josh Andrino. And then our second board of judge is a senior high school faculty member and a cultural coordinator at St. Cecilia's College Cebu Incorporated, Minglanilla, Cebu. Please help us welcome Mix William Oduhan de Gracia. Again for... Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our second board of judge is a senior high school faculty member, cultural coordinator at St. Cecilia's College Cebu Incorporated, Minglanilla, Cebu, Mix William Oduhan de Gracia. Oh yes, and our first board of judge, an artist, a host, and also a cosplayer, a historical enthusiast, Mr. Josh Andrino. Oh, there we have it, Mr. Josh Andrino. And once again, kapila na gid ni siya, ha? So perfect na gid siya nga choreography sa pagpaila-ila sa atuang hurado. No? A senior high school faculty member, a cultural coordinator at St. Cecilia's College Cebu Incorporated, Minglanilla, Cebu. Tanawa gid ni siya. Ah, diba? Makuyawan gid mo, mahadla gid mo karong All Souls Day. We have Mix William Oduhan de Gracia. And yes, right now, our third board of judges, of course, our advocate for Cebuano heritage and culture. And from the Pamgras, the Cebu Heritage Hotel, we have Miss Agripina Guivelondo. A big round of applause, please. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have already introduced and presented our board of judges who will be having the daunting task to select who is our Di Ingon Nato 2025. Are you guys excited to see our mythical creatures, our cosplayers tonight? Andam na ba mo? Maila-ila silang tanan? Andam na, of course. I am hearing a lot of our guests, valued guests and customers, of course. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. And, you know, to be with Pamgras, the Cebu Heritage Hotel, this All Souls Day and night. Charot. All right? So without further ado, allow me to introduce our contestants. Andam na ba mo sa tong contestant number 1? Yes. Sa dili na nako, dugay-dugayon pa kay murag andam na kay andam na jud kay sila diri. Yes, nagyud kaayo sila. Not. So to our viewers in our Facebook Live, comment down below, andam na sa All Souls Day. Kinsa ka inyong kaungo-ungo karong All Souls Day, no? Bitaw. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Visayan Mythical Creatures Cosplay Contest. Our candidate number 1 is Mr. Joseph Jade Piking, or we can call him Agta.
Mayong gabi, Pamgas. Ako di ay si Joseph Jid, portraying as Agta.
Alright, that was just our first candidate. Maoday siya si Agta. Alright, may I remind our contestants that they are allowed to give a description sa ilahang character in one sentence. Alright? Pero makita man sa iyahang postura o sa iyahang hitsura o sa iyahang action nga agta gyud siya. No? So agta kanang makita na to sa mga baliti, sa mga koana na niya magmanigarilyo na upo sa sigarilyo mo na itong kahadlukan kay kung maibgan gani kag agta magsakit-sakit gyud ka. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was our candidate number one, Joseph J. Ticking. Thank you very much. And now, let us call on our candidate number two, Sheila Bascon, or we can call her Aswang.
Tulong ka na, wala diri, imong nana. Ako si Sheila May Bascon, usa ka aswang. Ang aswang, usa ka nilalang nga mukaon og tawo, hayop, ug dugo niini.
Thank you very much, our contestant number two. So nahibalo na tanga, dili day si Corazon ang unang aswang. Dili si Corazon, pero si Sheila Bascon. Oh yes, kahadlok no, iyang gikaon ang kaugalingon nga tinai sa iyahang gidaladala nga anak. Anak ba to niya or anak sa lain inahan? No, iya tong anak. Thank you very much, candidate number two, Sheila Bascon as Aswang. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome kani mahadlok yuta ani nga kung makita na siya nato siya. Because we have Dandan, or we can call him Kamatayon.
Aku si Danda, putri as Kamataya.
So kamatayon, no? So kasabot na ta nga si Kamatayan, a man of few words. So gaton ra gyud ta niya, wala siya lang isulti na to, wala siya gingong welcome, wala dili siya mosulti og adto na ta ana, gamay ra gyud paila-ila ra siya nga you're dead, dead na ka, time is up. Igo ra jud kang sugato ni Kamatayon. Well, thank you very much, Dandan as Kamatayon. Ladies and gentlemen, our contestant number 4, we have Jean V. Bantillan. We can call her Santilmo.
Maayong gabi ninyong tanan. Ako si Genvi Bantilan, usa ka santel mo, nga nagdangag ug kalayo na naglutaw sa hating gabi. Daghang salamat.
Thank you very much, our contestant number 4. That was Jinvi Bantillan, or also known as Santilmo. Santilmo is our Cebuano mythical ball of fire. Ingon sila nga kung dili kuno kung nakondinar kuno ang kalag o niya mauwanan na siya naigipatay o niya nauwanan siya niya kondinado iyahang kalag mahimo siyang santilmo. And then if makakita ka og santilmo, if you're going to meet a santilmo, a ball of fire, Saint Elmo's ball of fire, they are going to exchange your soul, you know, you're going to get your soul, basta mag-ilis mo. So ikaw ang mahimong santilmo niya, musud siya sa imo, you'll be possessed. Ano daw siya? Kamot lang if that's true or not. But later we're going to hear more about that. Ladies and gentlemen, our contestant number 5, kani siya makulbaan gitaan niya kung mainitan ta niya or masuko siya sa tua. If she gets angry, she can bend anything to her will. Let us welcome Jovita Rubin, ang atuang mambabarang.
Maayong gabi. Ako si Jovita Rubin as a mambabarang. Pero karon, beauty spell ang akong gamiton. Ang katong wala na makpak, akong orisyonan, o himuon akong mga baki. Thank you.
Kuya Juan sa atong mambabarang. Hala, wala mo ni pakpak. Ingon siya, himuon ko niyang baki. Ana da kadaan, dili mo pakpak, baho og ilok. Pakpak kinatanan. Alright, thank you very much to our candidate number 5, our mambabarang. And ladies and gentlemen, we are also going to see usa kadiwata. Kini yang pangalan si John Kevin Roselio Diwata, or also known as Magayon.
Abisala. Ngayong gabi, nandito ako sa inyong harapan, the one of the oldest Spanish of the goddess of the flying species. Ladies and gentlemen, ang sinaunang diwata na lumulupad na lumang or lamang lupa, ladies and gentlemen, Diwatang Magayon. Ang di mamakpak, mamatay! Ang di musyagit, masunog ang inyong balay! Inay! Itay! Thank you!
Thank you very much to our contestant number 6. Shall we say, Diwata o Magayon, hagbong dyan siya niya. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, that was our contestant number 6, or Diwata or Magayon. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our last candidate, but definitely not the least, we have Mr. Ferdinand Azcaraga, and we can call him Dalakitnon. Ladies and gentlemen, we can see our Dalakitnon ang hatag og pagkaon sa ato ang Board of Judges. Hala, appeal ko? Appeal me? Color black. Itong nga right, ni?
Mayong gabi. Ako si Ferdinand, usa ka dalakit nun. Naa kami kapuyo sa dalakit pero kung mukuyog ka muna ko, kana tanang suga nga inyo nakita diha, mao nang among pinuyanan. O katong nakakaon, dili na mo makapalik sa inyo ha. Ang wala ni kaon, oray makapauli sa ila ha. Dagang salamat.
Thank you very much sa our candidate numbers. Hala, ni kaon ra ba ko? So, dili na siya ko kauli sa mua. Adto ko uli sa inyo, ha? Aw, kuyawan! Judge number 2, Mix William. Murag kuyog tainig uli sa ilaa. Hadla sa ilaa di ay. Aw. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We get to experience the fear, no? Coming from their eyes and coming from their costumes and their postures and how they projected ang ilahang mga panagway karong gabi una. So hadlok, no? That was our 7 contestants for our Visayan Mythical Creatures cosplay contest. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, because it's already drizzling, meaning it's already raining one by one. I hope that it won't rain altogether. Charot. Nagtaligsik na, pero padayon kita, rain or shine. Without further ado, we are going to proceed with our question and answer portion. By this time, we're going to twist and we're going to squeeze the minds of our contestants to get to know them better and their characters better. And of course, our questions will be given by our board of judges. And with that, let me call on once again our candidate number 1, Mr. Joseph J. Tik-ing, or Agta, on stage. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our contestant number 1, Agta, is here, and our board of judge who will be giving you your question for the question and answer portion is our first board of judge, Mr. Josh Andrino. Mr. Josh?
So, okay. Hello, maayong gabi and good evening to all who are watching us tonight via our Facebook Live. So, maayong gabi sa tong Agta. Okay, ako pangutana. Sige. Agta. Okay. Sa polo lang ako pangutana. Unsa may buhat nimo dito sa Kalasangan? For our viewers, non-Cebuano viewers, the question is, Agta, what do they do or what do you do in the forest?
Magkuhan na sa kahoy, magtabako-tabako, patama. Og mga adlok, og mga tao. Aray ko.
Mo ba? Hadlok ka daw kuno ko, be? Hadlo ka, Chuko ka na makasagit, Chuko ka. Hadlo ka, agta. Thank you very much, our contestant number 1. Naara daw ko na siya dito magtabako-tabako ug manghadlok sa mga tao. That was our agta. No, kung nana palang ka-cool di atong agta, no? Di ra gyud ay taangay mahadlok di kung kaibgan tag agta, no? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let us also call on our contestant number 2. That is atong unang aswang, Sheila Bascon.
Maayong gabi.
Mayong gabi, kuya won isud gyud niya eh. Mura gitag makikitan gyud tayo sa atong kilid. And of course, let us call on our board of judge who will be asking your question, contestant number 2, and that is Mix William de Gracia.
Maayong gabi.
Maayong gabi.
Ug mo kani imong pangutana sa Bisaya. Giunsa man nimo na nahimo mangkang ungo? Usbon ko, giunsa man nimo ngano nahimo kang ungo? For our non-Visayan speaking viewers at home and around the world, how come you become a mythical creature and why?
Si Corazon, dili na siya ungo. Nahimo na siyang ungo tungod nagsamba siya sa Ginoo nga ganahan siya mabuntis. Pero pagpanganak niya, namatay ang anak. Wala na siya ipagsalig sa Ginoo. Didto niya gikaon iyang anak og nahimo siyang ungo. Thank you.
All right, very well said. Contestant number 2, mao dito ang rason.
You need an interpreter?
Translate. All right. For our Tagalog speakers, si Corazon daw ay naging aswang sa kadahilan ng sa kadahilan ng gustong-gusto niyang mabuntis. Gusto niyang magkaanak. Nabuntis naman siya at ito ang tanging hiling niya sa Panginoon. Ngunit yung anak niya ay namatay. Kaya kinain na lang niya. So, kasi nawala yung nahirapan tayo sa kalisod talaga. Yeah, for our English speakers, our English viewers. So Corazon, the first aswang. How do you say aswang in the English? What is our English aswang? They're popularly known as aswangs. Aswang. It's really a Filipino, aswang, no? They're native in the Philippines. So they are really aswang. So Corazon became an aswang because she prayed to God to bear a child, but then when she delivered her child, her infant child, it died, and so she ate it. Okay na daw. I tried my best. I told you. You didn't listen to my told. Anyway, thank you very much, our contestant number 2, Aswang. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us call on our contestant number 3, that is Dandan or Kamatayon. And of course, our contestant number 3, our board of judges will be asking your question is Ma'am Ms. Agripina Guivalondo of Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. Ms. A.
Maayong gabi, kamatayon.
Maayong gabi.
Ang akong pangutana, unsa ang klase sa tao nga imong gusto unang kuhaon? What kind of person do you want to bring with you to sa imong palasyo sa kamatayon? Kinsay, unsa nga klase nga tao ang unang gusto nimong mamatay?
Ang gusto na kong kuhaon karon nga mamatay ang di mo pakpak.
So, ako i-translate. So, he said, he wants to die first the people who won't clap their hands.
So clap your hands. And you know it, clap your hands.
Kanang, pwede dugangan, kanang, unsa man nga klase nga tao ang imong gusto mamatay og una. Nga, gawa sa di mo pakpak. Kanang, unsa pa man, diri sa kalibutan karon, unsa man para nimo ang pinakadautan or ang pinakamaayo ba imong gusto kwaon una o ang pinakadautan?
Ang pinakadautan diri sa kalibutan.
Kinsa man ang dautan?
Sama sa nimpatay.
Huh? Sama sa mga nipatay. Ayan. Alright, sure na, Jude. Thank you very Pwede rin siya kamuingon nga ang katong contractor sa Ghost. Issue ta.
Di ba ninyo siya
Abash.
ganihan ako ano iyang kwaon una ang wala ni pakpak? Ipakpak ko
Hala, naiganahan magpakuha. Atong Board of Judge, nakuha ko no nimo ang iyang kasing-kasing. Kuya Juan. Anyways, thank you very much to our contestant number 3, that's Dandan, representing Kamatayan. Let us call it our contestant number 4, Miss Jean V. Bantilan, or shall we say, Santilmo. And to our contestant number 4, the Board of Judge will be asking you your question is our Board of Judge number 1, Mr. Josh Andrino.
Okay, mayong gabi inasad. Good evening, everybody. Okay, so I'll keep my question very simple, Ampod. Okay. So, Santilmo, okay, fire, of course, in connection to light. Okay, so, why do you show your light at night? So, nganong ipakita man nimo imong kahayag ikagabi or sa kangit-ngit?
May gabi po. Kay tungod ako'y usa ka kalag o espiritu na naglutaw sa hangin matag gabi. Rato.
Oh, yeah. Very short words from our Santilmo. So, she says that she is a floating soul at night. So that's why she shines. She shines at night. Because how could she shine in the morning? Thank you very much to our contestant number 4, our Santilmo, that's Miss Jean V. Bantilan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our Mambabarang, Jovita Rubin.
Hello, may gabi.
All right, contestant number 5, the Board of Judge will be asking you your question is Mix William de Gracia.
May gabi.
May gabi.
Kay tungod ikaw usa ka mamamarang, since you are a witch for tonight, your question, ang imong pangutana mao. Your question goes like this. Wow. Diba? Wala ko ano para di kay effort. Pero mag-dosbi ko after ani. Isip usa ka mamamarang as a witch. What is the most or unsa ang pinaka bugat ngan imong nahimo ang paghatag og kadaot sa istikaingon pinaagi sa barang, ang paghimo og lumay o ang kutlo sa usa ka kinabuhi og ngano. In English, what is the very tiresome or very heavy responsibility or thing that you've done as a witch? You put a curse on someone. Sige na lang. 2, you made a love potion. And 3, you've killed someone. And why?
Okay, thank you. Pero sa kuanan no, kay wala jud ko'y kalibutan ani kay di man jud ko mambabarang. Pero akong tubagon, pero para sa ako kay ang pinakalisod kay ang magbuhat og love potion. Because you can't love person man good nga imong pugson lang na. Kinsa man say buang nga, kinsa man say taro nga imong i-love potion ang tao nga imong gusto para maimuha lang, di ba? So dako kay na siya nga sala. And thank you.
Wow! Thank you very much, our Ma'am Babarang. Ang pagbuhat ko no og love potion or gayuma, ang pinakabugat niya nga buhatan as a witch, as a Ma'am Babarang daw. Kay, sa tawagan to, kinsa daw ko no, o sa kinsa ko no, you know, who is crazy enough to bend someone's heart, you know, to love him or her daw, o diba? So thank you very much, our Ma'am Babarang. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us move on to our kanisya. Maugini siya ang nakapahagbong sa tuang microphone. We will see if she's also able to drop our microphone with her answer tonight. That's John Kevin Roselio, our Diwata or Magayon. Sample the uglupad. Oh, here. All right. All right, our contestant number 6. Are you fine now? Our board of judges will be asking you your question is Ms. Agripina Givelondo of Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel.
Maayong gabi, Diwata Magayon.
Abisala po.
So si Diwata Magayon is from Albay. Pero of course, in ancient times, ang Bisan ng Albay was part of the Visayas. So, pwede na siya. So, karon si Diwata Magayon, mo na ang Diwata sa Bulkan nga mayon. So, karon akong pangutana, my question for you is, unsa ang mga butang nga makapabuto nimo? Unsa ang rason nga mubuto ka? Duna ba'y tao o panghitabo nga maoy makapabuto nimo? What are the reasons that make you erupt? Is there a person or an incident that would make you erupt?
All right. Thank you so much for the wonderful question. And then my question is very difficult. And this is my answer. Thank you. Char, joke lang. Okay. In this time, ladies and gentlemen, unsa maka-interrupt na ko or
Makapabuto ni mo.
makapabuto na ko, ladies and gentlemen, either person ba or a human being or something
Panghitabo.
panghitabo. So for me, ladies and gentlemen, for me is panghitabo. Why? We don't know that what is the time na mubuto or what is that day. Pero make sure, ladies and gentlemen, na a human is not the cause of our disaster. Why? Because human can help Mother Nature. So you need to have to respect our nature as one. And at the same time, why may buto siya? It's because manay pasabot na ang Ginoo ray nakahibaw-an na. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, our contestant number 6. Ay, oo, di ba? Unsay dili makapabuton, unsay makapatagak niya. So, unsay makapabuton niya? Murag, di ba? Buto ka or mabutak ka. All right, thank you very much, our contestant number 6. And now let us move on to our contestant number 7. That is Mr. Ferdinand Azcaraga, or we've known him as Dalakitnon. A big round of applause, please. All right, Dalakitnon. Our board of judges will be giving you your question is once again Mr. Josh Andrino.
Hello,
Sir Josh.
Sige, may gabi again.
May gabi.
Okay, sige. This particular mythical creature is not really known to a lot, which is also this particular moment, which is really an opportunity for us to really get to know this particular mythical being. Okay, especially that ang iyahang whole story involves food and light. Sakto? Okay, so what is the story behind the myth of Dalakitnon?
Kaming mga dalakit doon, usa kami ka mga lumulupyo sa laing bahin sa kalibutan diin. Ang among agianan padulong sa among mga banwa o mga syudad mao ang ganghaan sa mga kaugatan sa dalakit. So ang inyong nakita nga punuan sa dalakit lang ka sa inyong mga mataapan. Kung makasulod kamo sa among ganghaan, diha nyo makita nga ang tanang butang nga inyong makita sa inyong mga mata, nagasidlak, murag mga bulawan, adunay mga dagkong sakyanan nga naguna pa sa mga hinimo sa mga tao.
So basically, ang inyong Pinoyanan, where you live is like a paradise.
Kuan, labaw pa sa paradise,
Okay.
kung imo na siyang gamitan o pinulungan nga banyaga, mura ka na siya og high-tech megacity. So,
Utopia.
mura siya ganang usa siya ka lugar diin mas advanced pa siya kung imo siyang itandi sa panahon sa mga katawhan nga nagpuyo. Mao nga kami dili mi sa Manila ug sila dili pud sila sama namo.
So basically, you just i-offer ang pagkaon.
Arong makabig namo sila og madani sa among gingarian, amo silang tagaan og dulot nga pagkaon og kinsa katong makakaon og makatilaw dili na makagawas.
Ni kaon ba mi ganina? At makita lang na rin sa MC. Okay. Okay, that is a very interesting story. I hope the people watching us online are also learning something. So, thank you very much, Dalakitnon.
All right, thank you very much, our contestant number 7. That is Mr. Ferdinand Azcaraga, or shall we say, Dalakitnon. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 7 contestants whom we've known more, diba? Out from them. We've squeezed out their brains ato silang gipangutana, question and answer kung nganong nahimo silang ningon ana. Kung anong naumo sila, nganong nadalakitnon sila, o kung asa sila gikan, o kung unsa ilahang role sa ato ang lugar diri sa whole Visayas region. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, for our final walk, let us welcome once again our Visayan mythical creatures cosplayers tonight. First up, we have contestant number 1. We have Joseph J. Diking as Agda. Big round of applause, please. Followed by our contestant number 2, Sheila Bascon as Aswang. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, followed by contestant number 3, Dandan as Kamatayon. And our contestant number 4, Jinvi Bantilan as Santilmo. We also have Jovita Rubin ng atong Mambabarang. And our contestant number 6, John Kevin Rosilio. Diba? John Kevin kay siya. Diwata Magayon. And of course, our contestant number 7, Ferdinand Azcaraga as our Dalakitnon. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round, a resounding round of applause for our Visayan mythical creatures cosplayers of 2025. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, please. Let us also take this moment for a photo opportunity of our contestants for tonight. Picture, picture. And yes, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to thank our board of judges for tonight. Of course, we have Mr. Josh Andrino, our first board of judge, And our second board of judges mix, William De Gracia. A big round of applause, please. And of course, we'd also like to thank our advocate for Cebuano heritage and culture from Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel, Ms. Agripina Guevelondo. A big round of applause, please. So ladies and gentlemen, let us give time for our board of judges for them to be able to select our Dili Ingon Nato 2025. And as we give time for our board of judges, allow me to introduce our promotions of the Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. First up, we have a Hadla room treat. Get ready for a spectacular Kalag-Kalag staycation at Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. Enjoy a 40% discount on your room this hunting season. Imagine that's 40% discount. Bonus treat. Kids of in-house guests get free entry to our Cebuano style Hadla sa Palmgrass Halloween event on October 31. That's tomorrow at 10 a.m. until 12 noon. We also have Painit sa Kalag-Kalag. Enjoy our Painit sa Kalag-Kalag, a warm selection of native Cebuano merienda that evokes memories of home, remembrance, and shared stories over steaming cups of sikwate and native treats. These beloved painit dishes, once prepared after visiting cemeteries or lighting candles for ancestors, remain part of our way of keeping the spirit of kinship and care alive during this season of reflection. Dine safely and comfortably at Kapihan ni Lumaya and Hardin Dagami Roof Deck Bar, open daily, starting from 6 in the morning up until 11 in the evening. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, we also have our Santilmo, the cocktail of the month. As we show our camera to our board of judges to try our Santilmo cocktail month. Sip on the sizzling folklore with our cocktail of the month, Santilmo. Let the fiery spirit of Cebuano myth come alive in every fun-filled sip. It is spooky, it's fiery, and it's guaranteed to light up your night, literally and figuratively. Santilmo cocktail for only 230 pesos. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that is the Santilmo, the cocktail of the month. Our board of judges are trying now. Sipping now on the sizzling folklore with our cocktail of the month, Santilmo. So nagkayo-kayo na siya nga drink. Wow. We also have Hadlok or Hadla sa Palmgrass. This is tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning. All children of guests are welcome to play Cebuano themed games like Tusluka ang ahos or poke the garlic. Pakana ang tambaluslos. Feed the big mouth. Hala, oy, kahadlok sa tambaluslos. Kuuta ang kaban or guess what's in the box. Pangitaa ang duwende or find the gnome. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, those are the promotions that are coming from Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we have Hadla room treat for 40% discount on your room this hunting season, plus the bonus treat if you have kids together with you as guests, get free entry to our Cebuano style Hadla sa Palmgrass. That's tomorrow. Palmgrass Halloween event on October 31, 10 o'clock in the morning. Painit sa Kalag-Kalag, we also have a warm selection of native Cebuano merienda that evokes memories of home remembrance and shared stories over steaming cups of secuate and native treats. We also have the Santilmo, the cocktail of the month. For only 230 pesos, you're going to enjoy the fiery spirit of Cebuano myth come alive in every fun-filled sip. It's spooky, it's fiery, and it's guaranteed to light up your night, literally and figuratively. Hadlok, hadlok, or hadla, hadla, that's tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning. All children of guests are welcome to play Cebuano-themed games like Tusluka ang ahos, pakana ang tambaloslos, kuuta ang kaban, pangitaa ang duwende. Brought to you by Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. Thank you very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, while waiting for the decision of our Board of Judges, I believe our Board of Judge could give comments and suggestions or recommendations for our contestants for tonight. And of course, let us hear first coming from our third Board of Judge, that is Miss Agripina Guevelondo. Miss?
So, congratulations to all the mythical creatures. So, we are so happy that you are tracing our Visayan roots through the mythical creatures that you portrayed, like Agta, Santilmo, Aswang, Diwata, Mambabarang, bisag ang Mangbarang, kaya di mo na mythical, kaya tinuod mo na ang tao. And then, Dalakitnon o Kabatayon. So, daghang salamat, congratulations for your very beautiful and performance. And yeah, we hope that you will win. And you join us again next year.
Oh yes, thank you very much to Ms. Agripina Guevelondo of Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us also hear from another Board of Judge, a senior high school faculty member, Max William Otuhan de Gracia, for the comments and suggestions, recommendations for our contestants for tonight.
Yes, usbon ko may gabi isa tanan, and congratulations for your efforts. Karong gabi una, makatawa lang ko ni Santil mo kay makainomdom ko sa offer sa pari. Kibaw kay kahuman ani na kuan kay ikuan di ka sa misa. Bitaw, and also happy Halloween in advance. Maro to, daghang salamat.
All right, thank you very much to our Board of Judge, Mix William de Gracia. And ladies and gentlemen, let's also hear from an artist and a cosplayer and a host, Mr. Josh Andrino.
Hello. Okay, so actually wala ko comment or anything. I'm just thankful that of course naadiri along with our judges. Also, nindot po ni na kanang activity. It's a nice activity because myth manggod, whenever like Visayan myth, you also get to know what people were thinking at that time. Yeah, kay mythology, it's creative. It's also a preservation of history, mga stories, just like what we do with our fictional na mga novels, books, mga comics, kani, ma-preserve, So, but in our case, it's oral tradition, like it's passed on, so it's good that we have this. So in a way, this is a preservation of history and creativity. So, thank you to all sa atong participants. So, and congratulations in advance to whoever will be the winner or winners. So, congrats. Pakpakan na to tanan.
And yes, thank you very much to our first Board of Judge, Mr. Josh Andrino. And of course, thank you to our Board of Judges who did the daunting task to select our our this year's Dili Ingon Nato 2025. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the results are in my hands. Are you guys excited to know who is our Di Ingon Nato 2025? Oh, diba? Syagit siya. Ay, ano siya? Kinsa siya ka inyong bet? Who is your bet? Hala. All right, thank you very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the results are in my hands. We actually have 2 consolation prize winners for tonight. Winners gihapon because they all did a great job and were able to show their characters as Visayan mythical creatures tonight. And with that, we are going to announce our 3rd placers. Wow, we're not just going to have a 3rd placer, but they are the 3rd placers, and we are going to call them one by one. And for this time, may I request our first board of judge, Mr. Josh Andrino, to please come on stage here in front to please do the honor of awarding. Oh, all right. All right, yes, and as of this moment, our cocktail, San Telmo Cocktail of the Month is ready, and our board of judges are actually trying and experiencing the fiery, the spooky taste of San Telmo Cocktail of the Month. That is only for 230 pesos. Maklaro ba siya? Oh, you can see there, na nagkayo-kayo siya in a blue flame. And our board of judges are going to try it tonight. Sip on the San Telmo. It's a mythical ball of fire. It's a Visayan mythical ball of fire. St. Elmo's Fire. That's San Telmo. Cocktail of the Month, only here at Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. Kumusta atong panlasa din ha? Mix William de Gracia? Miss A? There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our San Telmo has been prepared. Murag hurot na kang Mr. Josh Andrino. Oh. All right, a big round of applause to Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel, for being so innovative and being so creative and for advocating the Visayan culture. And yes, thank you very much to our board of judges. And as of this time, may we request, if makaya paog barog, Mr. Josh Andrino, to please do the honor to award our first 3rd placer for tonight. Because ladies and gentlemen, we actually have 3 3rd placers tonight. Are our contestants happy about it? It's not just 1, but 3. Mr. Josh Andrino, please come here on stage. I mean on our stage. At the pool. All right, ladies and gentlemen, joining me on stage is Mr. Josh Andrino, our board of judge, to do the honor in awarding our first 3rd placer. Congratulations to Congratulations, you are one of our 3rd placers tonight. Congratulations to Jovita Rubin, our Mamba Barang. A big round of applause, please. Please join us here in front. Oh my God. It's here. Congratulations to Jovita Rubin, our Mamba Barang. Thank you very much, Jovita. Please come back to your place. And no, Mr. Josh, I would ask you to retain because we are also going to award our third placer for tonight. And that is you. Congratulations to... Wow, another third placer tonight. Congratulations, Genvi Bantilan, our San Telmo. You're one of our third placers tonight. Miss, for the award. Oh yes, let's take this. Yes, congratulations. Your prize. Thank you very much to our San Telmo. Please come back on your place. You are going to receive your prize later on. As we did not expect that we are going to have 3 third placers for tonight. And now, our last but definitely not the least, the third placer for tonight. You are one of the third placers tonight. Congratulations. Congratulations! Congratulations, Sheila Bascon, ang unang aswang for tonight. You're one of the third placers. Congratulations. Thank you very much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, there are 4 contestants left. And thank you very much, Mr. Josh Andrino, for doing the honors to award our third placers tonight. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I request the presence of our second board of judge to please join us here on stage to do the honor to award our second placer tonight. Oh, wow. She's here, Mix William Otuhan de Gracia, our second board of judge to award our second placer tonight. Congratulations to... Yes, you are winning the second place. Congratulations, John Kevin Roselio, ang atong diwata. Magayon. Mulayat ko no kadir sa pool. Ari ka mo agi diri. You should fly. Why walk if you can fly? And yes, doing the honors to award our second placer, Magayon, we have our judge, Mix William Otuhan de Gracia. Thank you very much and congratulations. Another round of picture down. Oh yes, thank you very much and congratulations. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request the presence of our board of judge. Once again, Mix. Oh yeah, everybody should, all the board of judges may request once again. Our board, here. And joining us here on stage is none other than our advocate for heritage and culture, Visayan Heritage and Culture, Ms. Agripina Vivalondo of the Pangras, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. And requesting once again the presence of our board of judges, we have Mix William de Gracia and Mr. Josh Andrino to please join us here on stage to do the honors in awarding our Dili Ingon Nato 2025. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Are you guys excited? Are you guys astonished by the costumes and characters played by our contestants tonight? Because, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to announce our winner for tonight for this year's Visayan Mythical Creatures Cosplay Contest. Who is our Dili Ingon Nato 2025? Ladies and gentlemen, our valued guests and customers of Palmgrass Cebu Heritage Hotel, who is your bet? Kinsa inyong tanaw nga dumadaog for tonight? Alright, congratulations to our Dili Ingon Nato 2025, Mr. Ferdinand Azcaraga or Dala Kitnon. Congratulations, you are our Dili Ingon Nato 2025. Mamo ni siya, Mr. Ferdinand, imuhang naagmi. Lalalala. O, dirigid siya ni Agi. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, joining us on stage is our Dili Ingon Nato 2025, Mr. Ferdinand Azcaraga, otherwise known as, also known as Dala Kitnon. Mo ni siya nakadaog ng hatag manggod siya puto, nagpatilaw dyan siya og puto niya. Ya, kuyog mi niya o niya. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Our Dili Ingon Nato 2025, Mr. Ferdinand Azcaraga. And of course, we would like to thank our board of judges who are present here tonight, who did the daunting task to select our Dili Ingon Nato 2025. We have Mr. Josh Andrino, Miss William de Gracia, of course, Miss Agripina of Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. And to all our remaining contestants, you don't have to fear and worry, you don't have to be sad, because all of you are going to receive a consolation prize from the Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, this has been your host, Neil Roy Impaz, and welcome to the Palmgrass, the Cebu Heritage Hotel's Visayan Mythical Creatures Cosplay Contest. Dress up like Visayan Mythical Creatures. Happy All Souls Day. Maayong hadla-hadla.